No one expects a flat tire, a dead battery, or a roadside emergency, but being prepared can save you time, money, and stress. That's why a good car emergency kit with a built-in air compressor is one of the smartest accessories you can keep in your vehicle. In this video, we'll look at the 5 best car emergency kits with air compressors in 2026, comparing their features, reliability, and overall value. Whether you drive every day, travel with your family, or enjoy long road trips, this list will help you choose the right emergency kit to keep you safe and ready for the unexpected. Number 5. The HolaKit 78-piece car emergency kit serves as a comprehensive, peace-of-mind roadside companion designed to handle common unexpected vehicular mishaps, making it an excellent investment for daily commuters and road trippers alike. Packaged in a spacious, heavy-duty nylon carrying case, the kit is thoughtfully organized to ensure no space is wasted on fluff, offering key features such as a 12V portable air compressor with 3 adapters, robust 8-gauge 10-foot jumper cables, heavy-duty tow straps with secure hooks, a 7-piece tire plug repair kit, a hand-crank dynamo flashlight, and a 40-piece first aid kit. In terms of build quality and performance, the mechanical tools feel rugged enough to withstand real-life stress, the air compressor efficiently handles sudden low-pressure warnings on the highway, and the jumper cables offer a reliable gauge thickness to revive dead batteries swiftly. A unique design aspect that sets this apart from basic market alternatives is the inclusion of an emergency safety hammer and a 39 by 39-inch fire blanket, a clever, space-saving substitute for bulky fire extinguishers. Regarding ease of use, the tools are highly intuitive, and the hand-crank flashlight ensures you are never stranded with dead batteries during night repairs. When compared to basic competitor options like standard AAA excursion kits, the HolaKit provides superior value for money. While some competitor kits lean heavily on high visibility markers and generic plastic tools, HolaKit focuses on high utility mechanical hardware like the tire plug tools and tow straps. The product performs exceptionally well in real-world scenarios, shifting a helpless breakdown situation into a manageable, structured repair. Overall, this kit offers outstanding value for money due to the sheet breadth of its components. I highly recommend it to new drivers, families, and solo adventurers who want a self-reliant emergency safety setup. To see a practical demonstration of how one of the vital components inside this package operates during a real roadside mishap, you can watch this HolaKit tire plug repair kit tutorial, which walks through the steps of temporarily patching a tubeless tire. Number 4. The Airmoto Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor serves as a highly compact emergency roadside tool designed to provide independent tire maintenance without the need for bulky cords or a trip to a gas station. Key features of this 1.2-pound device include a powerful 120 psi maximum output, an easy-to-read digital pressure gauge, a built-in LED flashlight for low-light situations, and a crucial auto shut-off function that cuts power once your preset pressure is reached. In terms of quality and build, the cylindrical chassis feels solid and well-made, cleverly incorporating an internal storage compartment where the air hose slides cleanly inside the body when not in use. Regarding performance and ease of use, the device excels at routine pressure top-offs, such as adjusting a cold tire by 5 to 10 psi, and easily tackles bicycles, motorcycles, and sports balls using the included Presta and needle adapters. However, its small 2000 mAh rechargeable battery compromises speed in heavy-duty real-life scenarios. Inflating a completely flat car tire can take upwards of 10 to 15 minutes, during which the unit generates noticeable operating noise and drains most of its battery life. When compared to competitors like the Fantic X8 Apex, the Airmoto offers a much more glovebox-friendly footprint and simpler presets, though it lacks the Fantic's faster flow rate and secondary power bank capability, despite being slower on major inflations and featuring a relatively short 12-inch hose that forces you to crouch down. The Airmoto provides excellent value for money as a preventive safety tool due to its extreme portability and cordless independence. Overall, daily commuters, urban cyclists, and road trippers looking for an unobtrusive set-it-and-forget-it backup plan will benefit most from this device, and I highly recommend it as a reliable emergency addition to any car safety kit. Number 3. The 126-piece car emergency kit serves as a massive, all-in-one roadside safety repository designed to give drivers ultimate peace of mind during unexpected vehicle breakdowns, flat tires, or minor medical mishaps. This premium kit features a comprehensive array of high-utility tools, including heavy-duty 8-gauge jumper cables, a high-strength tow rope with forged steel hooks, a multi-function tool, a reflective safety vest, a hand crank emergency flashlight, an adjustable wrench, a tire pressure gauge, and an expanded 60-piece first aid kit. Built with durability in mind, the mechanical tools feature solid metal constructions rather than cheap plastic substitutes, and everything is housed inside a rugged, water-resistant canvas bag featuring a unique double zipper wide mouth design for rapid access under stress. In real-life scenarios, the kit performs exceptionally well by transforming a highly stressful breakdown like a dead battery on a dark highway or a loose underbody panel into a structured, solvable situation without forcing you to wait hours for a tow truck. When compared to scaled-down competitors like the standard 78-piece HolaKit, this 126-piece bundle offers vastly superior value for money because it addresses both mechanical and medical emergencies simultaneously. While the HolaKit focuses heavily on heavy-duty tire and fire safety hardware, this kit provides a much broader medical selection and a wider variety of hand tools like screwdrivers and hex keys. The ease of use is excellent, as the interior layout features organized mesh pockets that prevent you from digging through a jumbled mess while working on the shoulder of a busy road. Overall, this kit offers spectacular value for money due to its sheer item count and rugged build quality. I highly recommend it as a thoughtful gift for new drivers, commuters, or RV owners. And it stands out as an essential safety baseline that belongs in every vehicle's trunk. Number 2. The car emergency kit with portable air compressor serves as a versatile dual-purpose roadside companion engineered to rescue drivers from sudden mechanical failures, low tire pressure alerts, and unexpected minor injuries on the road. Packed into a durable, weather-resistant nylon carrying case, the kit's standout feature is its compact 12V portable air compressor that plugs directly into a car's cigarette lighter, alongside heavy-duty booster jumper cables, a reflective safety vest, a multi-tool pocket knife, basic hand tools, and a neatly organized multi-piece medical first aid kit. The build quality of the hard tools feels solid, featuring a rugged construction that holds up well under immediate pressure, while the compressor itself is built with an efficient motor that minimizes overheating during routine top-offs. In terms of performance and ease of use, the air compressor is intuitive, featuring a straightforward pressure display and effortlessly handles inflating a low tire back to standard pressure within 5 minutes, though a completely flat tire will require a bit more patience. In real-life scenarios, having the compressor and jumper cables integrated into a single bag eliminates the stress of digging through a messy trunk during a nighttime breakdown. When compared to premium, cordless electronic alternatives like the standalone Airmoto, this all-in-one kit offers significantly better overall value for money for budget-conscious drivers. While the Airmoto provides faster, cordless tire inflation, it leaves you completely stranded if your battery dies or if you scrape your knuckle and need a bandage. The unique design aspect of this kit lies in its careful balancing of mechanical rescue gear with immediate personal first aid supplies. This all-inclusive approach makes it an incredibly cost-effective, high-utility safety bundle. Ultimately, teenage drivers buying their first car, solo commuters, and safety-minded parents will benefit enormously from this setup, and I highly recommend it as a necessary, practical safety baseline for any vehicle. Number 1. The Jump Starter with Air Compressor Car Emergency Kit serves as the ultimate all-weather, all-in-one vehicle survival package designed to give drivers absolute self-reliance during battery failures, flat tires, and severe winter weather. The crown jewel of this extensive kit is a heavy-duty, high-peak amperage portable jump starter pack integrated with a 150 psi digital air compressor, completely eliminating the need for a second vehicle or a live outlet during a roadside crisis. Additional key features include a rugged, extendable snow brush and ice scraper, a multi-piece medical first aid kit, heavy-duty tow straps, and a high-lumen multi-mode LED hazard light. In terms of build and quality, the jump starter unit is constructed from high-impact ABS plastic with sealed ports to resist water and dirt, while the mechanical components, like the steel-reinforced winter scraper, feel exceptionally rugged. In real-life scenarios, this kit performs flawlessly where traditional kits fail. It allows a stranded driver to instantly jumpstart a dead 12V engine in freezing temperatures, clear a heavily snowed and windshield, and inflate a low tire all within 20 minutes. The ease of use is stellar, featuring bright LCD readouts, smart booster clamps with built-in spark protection, and a clear, user-friendly interface that prevents reverse polarity errors. When compared to basic mechanical competitors like the standard 126-piece car emergency kit, this kit offers infinitely better value and performance. While traditional kits rely on passive jumper cables that require flag-down assistance from a stranger, this powered kit grants total independence. A unique design aspect is its specialized seasonal adaptability, marrying heavy electronics with physical winter rescue tools in a single organized trunk bag. Providing unmatched value for money by bundling 3 standalone tools, a jump pack, an inflator, and winter gear into one cohesive unit, this kit is an essential safety asset. I highly recommend it for teenagers, solo road trippers, and anyone living in harsh winter climates who demands complete peace of mind on the road. That wraps up our list of the 5 best car emergency kits with air compressors in 2026. Each option offers something different, so the best choice depends on your budget, driving habits, and the features you need most. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and drive safely wherever the road takes you.